Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. XRDP is an open source and free realization of the Microsoft Remote Desktop Protocol, RDP, algorithms that allows you to control a remote system or virtual environment over a secure network with a GUI interface. XRDP essentially brings together the aspects of an RDP and X Windows system to communicate graphics and controls between the client and the system. This walkthrough will show you how to install XRDP on an Ubuntu 20.04 remote desktop system. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. Firstly, run the repository update with the following command before proceeding the installation. Install GNOME desktop package in Ubuntu using the following command. Also, during the installation of XRDP, a DNS nameserver error may occur. You can set the DNS nameservers to default Google using CMD. Now you need to install XRDP using the following command. The installation will run, and it will take few minutes to complete. Once the XRDP installation finished successfully, its service will be started automatically. To verify the service status, run the command. Once the installation is completed, it is recommended to change the default XRDP port 3389 to any alternative port for security purposes. For example, here we are changing the default XRDP port with 3650 using the following command. Next, you can install UFW with. Then allow that particular port through UFW with the following command. Now restart the XRDP process by using the following command. Now, access the Ubuntu desktop system from Windows VPS using the remote desktop client. Click Connect and ignore the certificate errors and click on the Next button to proceed with the connection. You will get the XRDP login page. Now provide your login credentials and click OK button. Once the correct logins are entered, you will get the desktop screen of the remote Ubuntu desktop system as shown in the following. Through this video, I showed you how to install XRDP on Ubuntu 20.04 complete. Hope you can do it successfully.